Hi, Populist Steve here with a friendly reminder that we are 1 week away from our quarterly Populist company call. If you've never been on one of these before, it is just amazing to be a part of. It's an opportunity where all of us can come together for an hour and celebrate our victories first and foremost, right? We'll talk about any challenges, any changes going on. We're going to celebrate the newcomers, our anniversaries, right? We're going to even have an opportunity to speak on some personal and professional bests over the last 90 days as we reflect. It's going to be amazing. We're even going to introduce a brand new way to just have fun with engaging with our Squire platform, right? And at the very end of the call, if you've ever been on one of these before, I'll do some giveaways. So I'm super excited about all that. And so it's going to be next week, Thursday, May 30th at 6:30. Be on the lookout for an email to come through. On that email, it's going to have a one-link login. So you'll be able to log right in, and we're even going to pay you for your time. You'll have an opportunity to log in either on a laptop, a tablet, a phone. Just please don't log in while you're driving. All right, everybody. I'll see you on the call next week. All right, have a good rest of your evening. Bye.